In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert DWG to DXF in Autocad quickly and easily. This is a very useful process if you need to share your drawing with another software, send it to a client, or make sure it opens in a format that's compatible with other CAD programs. I'll walk you through the simple step-by-step method, and I'll also show you an alternative export option in case you want another way to save your file. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more AutoCAD tips and software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open AutoCAD and load the drawing file you want to convert. Make sure the correct DWG file is open on your screen before you continue. Once your drawing is ready, go to the command line and type SAVEAS, then press enter. This will open the Save Drawing dialog box. In this window, choose the location where you want to save the converted file. It's always a good idea to save it somewhere easy to find, like your desktop or a project folder. Next, look for the Files of Type drop-down menu. Click it and change the file format to DXF, which will usually appear as DXF*.dxf. This is the key step that converts your DWG file into a DXF file. After that, if AutoCAD gives you the option to choose a DXF version, select the one that matches the software or workflow you need. Choosing the right version can help make sure the file opens properly in older or newer programs. Once everything is set, click Save. AutoCAD may prompt you with additional options depending on your version, so just confirm anything necessary to complete the export, and that's the main method done. Your DWG file has now been converted to DXF. If you want another way to do it, there's also an alternative method you can use. Go back to the command line, type Export, and press Enter. From there, choose DXF format from the available export options. Then select where you want to save the file and click Save to finish the process. This method is also very handy if you prefer exporting instead of using SAVEAS. So to quickly recap, the easiest way to convert DWG to DXF in AutoCAD is to open your drawing, use SAVEAS, change the file type to DXF, choose the version if needed, and save the file. If that doesn't fit your workflow, you can use Export and select DXF instead. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy AutoCAD guides, CAD tips, and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.